This workshop is going to show you one opportunity from every angle, from learners and youth who want skills to mothers and fathers who want cleaner homes, from consumers who want simple solutions to creators and entrepreneurs looking for a new lane, from landlords and tenants dealing with real building problems to city officials protecting infrastructure, and yes, even from the perspective of the bug in the drain. Because when cooking oil goes down the sink, everybody pays. And when we stop it, everybody wins. Welcome to the Neighborhood Oil Exchange.
We begin our workshop with the truth about household cooking oil, how it moves through homes, drains, pipes, and city infrastructure. Then we reveal the opportunity hiding in plain sight, a waste stream that can be captured and transformed into a circular asset. You'll see the tools that make it possible: collection kits, clean drain products, territory maps, and reporting dashboards. We highlight the real stories behind Neighborhood Oil Exchange, the youth teams and neighborhoods ready to prove that small actions create big wins. Next, we break down the enterprise model, how chapters claim territory and generate revenue through 5 streams. We show how neighborhood oil exchanges strengthen environmental justice, reduces infrastructure strain, and builds long-term resilience. Finally, we walk through the financial engine, how each chapter earns, scales, and contributes to the national diversion goal. By the end of this workshop, you'll understand the system, the mission, and the movement, and how your zip code can join the million-gallon challenge.
Used cooking oil in drains creates a breeding ground for pests like drain flies, cockroaches, rats, and bacteria-driven biofilms. These organisms thrive because the oil solidifies, traps organic matter, and provides both food and shelter. Common bugs attracted to cooking oil in drains include drain flies, moth flies. They lay eggs in the slimy film created by oil and organic buildup. Larvae feed on decaying matter in clogged pipes. Fruit flies are attracted to fermenting residues mixed with oil. They often appear in kitchens with greasy drains. Those cockroaches, they thrive in warm, moist environments with food sources like oil. Oil residues provide calories and sticky surfaces that trap other food particles. Then larger animals and vermin like sewer rats. Sewer rats are drawn to grease and oil deposits in pipes. Oil-rich clogs act as food caches, sustaining rodent populations in sewer systems, and ants. Certain species are attracted to fatty residues and may trail into kitchens if oil is present. Microorganisms and biofilm bacteria and mold oil provides a carbon-rich substrate for microbial colonies. Biofilms form on pipe walls, worsening clogs and creating foul odors. Pathogens oil buildup can harbor harmful bacteria that thrive in anaerobic, nutrient-rich conditions. What is the risks of oil in drains? Well, there's clogged pipes. Oil solidifies and traps food particles, led to blockages. In sewer backups, grease is the leading cause of sewer overflows in the U.S. And pest infestations, flies, cockroaches, and rats multiply in greasy environments. And environmental damage, oil entering waterways harms aquatic life and contaminates ecosystems. Some preventive actions include never pouring oil down the drain, Store used oil in sealed containers and dispose of as recommended by your neighborhood oil exchange. Cooking oil recycling programs can convert waste into biodiesel, soap, or other products. Bottom line, used cooking oil in drains doesn't just clog pipes, it creates a mini ecosystem for pests and pathogens. Recycling or proper disposal is the only way to prevent infestations and protect plumbing.
Hi, this is your cousin Marcus. I am calling you because I am so excited to tell you how 143 gallons of used cooking oil just changed our family's financial destiny forever. I'm talking about our family, the Harris family. As you know, we are a big, blended, multi-generational household that had always worked hard but never built anything lasting. We are stuck in that cycle where everyone helps everyone, but nobody ever gets ahead. So one Sunday at dinner, everything changed. My sister Tasha brought home a flyer about something called Neighborhood Oil Exchange, turning used cooking oil into family wealth. At first, we thought it sounded crazy, but we signed up to run a small pilot in our community and recruited neighbors. After just a few weeks, we realized something incredible. We already have family members with every skill we need to expand this to thousands of households. We envision Uncle Paul can handle logistics and routes. Aunt Danielle can manage the books. Cousin Tasha can design our marketing. Grandma has already built relationships in the community. Even our tech-savvy teenager Jaden can build an app to track everything. Within our first month, we'd collected those 143 gallons from just our close neighbors. But here's what really hit us. This wasn't just about oil collection from our neighbors. We also helped prevent clogged city sewers and bug pests and rodents. We were building something our grandchildren could inherit. A family-operated and controlled used cooking oil recycling company and a pest control company. The first in the nation to focus on residential collection of used cooking oil. And no competition. Every ounce we gather is a brick in our family's future. Every pickup strengthens our territory and strengthens our impact on the environment and sewer repairs and pest control for local landlords and the city as well. We went from working hard with nothing to show for it to creating generational wealth that is tied to efficient community governance, from something everyone else throws away. Many of you may remember a story about the widow who had almost nothing left except a small amount of oil. When the prophet Elijah visited her as he was passing through her village, she confided in him about her dire situation. He then told her to gather containers from her neighbors and pour out the little oil she had. And something remarkable happened. The small amount of oil became enough. It filled every container. It provided for her household. The lesson was simple and powerful. Even small things can become meaningful when a community gathers together. Today, we're doing something that echoes that same principle. Most people don't think their used cooking oil is worth anything. They throw it away. But just like the widow's small jar of oil, what seems insignificant becomes valuable when it's collected and shared. Neighborhood Oil Exchange works the same way. Every household has a little oil. When a whole neighborhood participates, it becomes powerful. What looks small becomes meaningful when we gather it together and work together. Miracles happen. This is a family effort, just like the story. Elijah told the widow to go to her neighbors, to involve her community. The blessing came through participation, not isolation. That's exactly how our family micro-franchise model works. Family members claim territories, households contribute small amounts. Communities participate. Value grows when everyone adds their part. It's a modern version of a timeless truth. Small contributions, gathered together, can change everything.
The fruit becomes motion. motion becomes change. And in that change, new seeds are planted, new trees are born, new fields arise, new kitchens glow. A circle closes. Flow. Seed to oil. The flame to fuel. The golden drop travels on, never wasted, always becoming. Transition into clean drain knowing. But today that golden drop is forgotten. Every household produces used cooking oil, a clean, valuable waste stream that almost no one collects. Cities are under pressure, sewer systems are aging, environmental rules are tightening. Renewable fuel producers are searching for cleaner, traceable feedstock. And communities want micro-enterprise routes that create income and jobs for youth. Across the nation, the residential stream exceeds 300 to 400 million gallons a year, a multi-billion-dollar category with no dominant player, a cycle waiting to be restored. Clean drain and no, we aren't competing in an existing market. We're defining a new one, a modern version of the ancient cycle. Seed to tree, tree to fruit, fruit to oil, oil to fuel, fuel to change. A circle closing again, never wasted, always becoming.
We don't need more awareness, we need action. We need builders, we need youth who refuse to wait their turn. The Neighborhood Oil Exchange and Clean Drain Initiative are launching a 1 million gallon movement. And youth are the engine, this isn't volunteering. This is leadership with real stakes, like future legacy, generational wealth.
The Neighborhood Oil Exchange, NOE, is a youth-powered, community-level system that keeps household cooking oil out of drains and transforms it into a circular asset for neighborhoods. Instead of letting used cooking oil, UCO, clog pipes, damage buildings, attract pests, and burden city infrastructure, NOE organizes residents into simple collection events led by trained youth teams. These teams gather clean, uncontaminated UCO and convert it into measurable diversion, community income, and local environmental health outcomes. NOE matters because it solves a problem every city struggles with: residential cooking oil disposal. When poured down drains, oil hardens inside plumbing, causes backups, destroys sewer lines, and drives up maintenance costs for property managers and municipalities. NOE prevents these problems at the source, before the oil ever enters the drain, while creating new economic opportunities for youth and new revenue streams for local partners. Each NOE chapter claims a territory, a building, block, or neighborhood, and manages all UCO diversion within that zone. Territory ownership is simple. The chapter that organizes residents, runs events, and maintains clean collection wins the right to aggregate and sell the UCO. This creates a clear, fair, community-based system where youth teams build real value by keeping their territory clean and active. Now let's talk about revenue streams for this enterprise. There are 5 income streams that will keep your chapter running smoothly and profitably. Number 1. Sale of clean residential UCO to refiners. Chapters aggregate clean, uncontaminated oil and sell it as a feedstock for low-carbon fuels. Clean residential UCO commands higher value because it requires less processing and comes with verified diversion data. 2. Prevention service fees. Property managers, building owners, and community organizations pay NOE chapters to prevent drain clogs, pest issues, and sewer damage. These fees replace expensive emergency plumbing calls with predictable, preventative maintenance. 3. Clean drain product sales. Chapters earn revenue from selling clean drain household products, simple tools that help residents keep food residue out of drains. These products reinforce the NOE mission and create recurring income. 4. Reporting and verification fees. NOE provides building-level or neighborhood-level reports showing diversion totals, participation rates, and environmental impact. Property managers and sustainability teams pay for verified data they can use in ESG reporting, compliance, and marketing. 5. Sponsorships and community partnerships. Local businesses, nonprofits, and sustainability organizations sponsor NOE chapters to support youth employment, environmental justice, and circular economy innovation. Sponsorships help chapters scale and deepen community impact. Together, these streams make NOE a self-sustaining circular economy model that improves environmental health, reduces infrastructure costs, empowers youth, and turns a household waste stream into a community asset.
Grease is quietly damaging plumbing in multifamily housing every single day. Renters' rights laws divide responsibility, but grease blurs the line between tenant misuse and landlord maintenance. Clean Drain Recycling Systems Neighborhood Oil Exchange ends the confusion with a shared responsibility solution. Tenants get an easy way to dispose of cooking oil, fewer pests, and protection from unfair plumbing charges. Landlords get fewer clogs, documented preventive maintenance, and stronger compliance with habitability standards. With Clean Drain's biofilm test, disputes disappear because now there's evidence, and every drop collected becomes renewable fuel, turning waste into community value. Clean Drain Recycling Systems protects tenants, landlords, and the community all at once. Clean Drain, the new standard for modern disposal of used household cooking oil. And their routine maintenance products are all natural, human and pet friendly. Clean Drain Recycling System. It just makes so much sense.